This is Joe. He can draw. Oh boy, I don't know about these drawings, but he definitely can animate. Today, WMA dives into the world of idols. John's gonna animate one idol and use the same animation to create 12 unique idols. How the hell's he gonna do that? You're about to find out.
It's time to let John show us how it's done. Let's do this. Select your character. The blocks change. Select your style. Default selected. Select your mode. 3ds Max. The blocks body mechanic rigs made simple and fun are now available for 3ds Max, Maya, and Blender. The blocks are simple to use, easy to customize, and most importantly, super fun to animate. Visit gumroad.com/watchmeanimate to get the blocks complete 12 character set now.
What's going on, everyone? We are continuing with the big rigs, and this time I got Jane loaded up. Now, it's going to be slightly different because I've loaded up the Jessica idol instead of the Jordan idol. I wanted to use it to jumpstart this animation because I was curious to see how it would turn out, and surprise, surprise, it definitely gives us a really good base to start with. So as I'm watching the animation playback, I'm kind of imagining Jane telling the kids to pick up their toys. So with that in mind, let's have her looking down at one of, let's say, her youngest son coming down the hallway, and with a commanding gesture, she points towards the toys and says, "You better pick this up, you better clean this up." And then she'll look over to the older son and say, "Put that over there." All right, so we know where we're going with the acting part. Now we can shift our focus and start fine-tuning things. So we're going to start by refining Jane's right arm, and we're going to do it in 2 passes. This first pass, we're going to focus on improving the part where she's pointing over at the toys, as she's looking at her youngest son coming down the hallway. We're going to use the timing of her head, which is working really, really well, to get the arm feeling just right. All right, so far so good. The arm's starting to come to life. Now it's time for the second pass, and this time we're going to refine the part where she's looking over at her other son. So we're going to raise her arm up higher. Imagine her, saying, "Put that over there." So that's the body language we need to dial in, and we're going to use the timing of her head to help us out. Now let's shift our attention to polishing up Jane's left arm. So it's important to remember that her right arm is taking the lead in this performance. Therefore, the left arm shouldn't be as busy or commanding as the right. Keep in mind, we only have one director in the spotlight. So with that in mind, I'm going to make a few adjustments to the left arm, ensuring that it supports and complements the performance of the right one without overpowering it. Now it's time to add a little more life to our fingers, and we're going to begin with her right hand first, as it's usually a little easier to work one hand at a time. So the idea is straightforward. We're going to let the motion of her arm guide us in adding in the finger animation where it feels most natural. Now, when it's done well, it adds authenticity to the animation, making her performance feel even more convincing. Here we go with the final pass. First, we're going to touch up the left hand to make sure that her left hand performance is just as believable as her right. Next, we're going to tweak both shoulders to tighten up the overall timing, and we are good. Jane is alive, albeit she's a little bit upset with her kids, of course, but she still loves them, and that is what counts. 10 idols completed, 2 more to go as we continue this series reusing Jordan's idol and Jessica's idol, transforming it into brand new idols. If you're enjoying the content on the channel and you want to show your support and be a part of the fun, share this video on your social media platforms. Giving it a thumbs up and leaving a comment below can greatly support its reach and engagement. Lastly, the blocks body mechanic rigs made simple and fun are available for 3ds Max, Maya, and Blender. They are excellent rigs for body mechanics performances, simple to use, easy to customize, and super fun to animate. Animate, visit gumroad.com/watchmeanimate to get the Blocks complete 12-character set. My name is Jonathan Abenheim. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all on the next one.